This is my lace applique here, and I need this flower to design my piece. So the next thing I'm going to do right here, is using this soldering iron. You can say this is my soldering iron to remove this from this. So then I'm going to plug this soldering iron once it is off. Once the soldering iron is hot, the next thing you are going to do is to trace along the lace applique that you want. You trace along the edges like the way you see me doing in the video. You continue like so until you get to where you started from. You can see the way I'm tracing along the edge of the applique, so you do the same as well, and make sure that your soldering iron is hot before you start doing this. Once you are done, this is what you should have at the end of the day. So because I want more than 5 pieces of this, so I'm going to continue like so until I get the 5 pieces that I needed. Bring this close. After I've cut this is what you should have after you've cut it out. Now you can actually apply this, use this on your clothes, design your stuff. I hope you learn a few things from this class. Have a nice day. Bye.